अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज बताओ, दुनिया में सबसे आसान काम क्या है? हाँ, सोचो सोचो सोचो, दिमाग में जोर डालो थोड़ा। बादाम नहीं खाते हो क्या? बादाम खाने से दिमाग तेज रहता है। दुनिया में सबसे आसान काम यही है। दुनिया में सबसे आसान काम है सलाह देना। एग्जैक्टली और उस सलाह को मानना उतना ही मुश्किल है। बट लेट इट बी, आज सिर्फ सलाह देने की बात करते हैं, क्योंकि सलाह देना इतना कॉमन है ना यार। मोहल्ले की आंटीज ने तो इसमें PhD की हुई है, राइट? सलाह देना हमारी जिंदगी का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है। ओके, सुबह से शाम तक हम पता नहीं कितनी सलाहें देते हैं और किस किस को देते हैं, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द फैक्ट कि वो पर्सन वो सलाह हमने अपनी लाइफ में अप्लाई की है या नहीं की है, पर हमें बस देने से मतलब है, राइट? आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर ये सलाह देना इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारी लाइफ में, हमें इससे रिलेटेड कुछ फ्रेज सीखनी चाहिए इंग्लिश में, राइट? एट लीस्ट the person whom you are giving advice would adapt some good phrases or structured sentences from you, right? So in today's video I would like to give few phrases or few sentence structure which you can use while giving advice to someone. So to demonstrate the lecture, I would like to invite one of my friend, Rashmi Nautiyal. So let's welcome her. Okay. So hi Rashmi, how are you?
Yeah. Hi Diksha, I'm good.
Okay.
How have you been?
How's weather in your city?
Yeah. Sorry, my pardon.
How is the weather in your city?
In my city, yeah, it's very much hot, much hot. But after 11 o'clock, it's like pleasant weather. I can say.
So are you enjoying going out?
No, I'm not. I hardly go out from my home. So
Yeah. How is the condition?
I have
How is the condition of your neighborhood areas?
neighborhood. Yeah, nobody is going out, and they spend their time only at home.
No, are you hearing any positive
I
cases
think so.
from your surrounding, from your neighborhood house?
Yes, I have heard a lots of cases like in my nearby places, and they passed away as well. Yes,
Very critical.
2, 3, 4,
In
5 people.
Uttarakhand, in our state, situation is really miserable.
Yes, really, yeah.
Yeah. So let's straight come to the point. So today's video is all about giving advice, because we all love advice, right? हमें सलाह देना बहुत पसंद है. So Rashmi, the question is that for example, one of your friend, you got to know that she is she has not been feeling well for a few days, and she is getting COVID symptoms, but still she is denying to visit a doctor for the RT-PCR test. In that case, what advice you give to your friend?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to suggest a various thing, and as you asked me, so I would suggest her you if it depends on her situation. If she is getting too much, I would say getting a problem. So I suggest her you must go visit the doctor, right? And then otherwise you are not gonna be safe, and you will I think. mm,
You will be in a trouble. You will be in trouble, right? She will be in trouble soon, because she can face
yes.
breathing problem.
And others also will affect from you.
Yeah,
They can affect. So
exactly.
and yes, and the if the situation is she's not getting too much problem, and she only came to know about, yeah, I'm feel like I can see some symptoms in myself, so she can just go with home remedies. Like for instance, when I got to know, when I got fever, so doctor suggest me like you can go with your steam and have medicines, right, and avoid some cold, drink hot water, right. So to avoid a cough problem. So I would like to suggest her these, and to, of course, I belong to that field, yoga. So I would suggest her to do yoga, because corona is affecting literally our lungs. So yeah, yoga is going to be help in corona, in this pandemic. uh,
Yeah.
Yoga, we should all do yoga.
ओके अगर एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर विच वी ऑफन यूज इन आर नेटिव लैंग्वेज, और हम बोलते भी है कि अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होती तो मैं ऐसा करती, या अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो
Mhm.
ऐसा करता. सो फॉर दैट
Mhm.
कैन से दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन फ्रेज विच वी यूज इन आर नेटिव लैंग्वेज, बट हम इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलते हैं. तो उसको बोलते हैं इफ आई वर यू, or if I were in
If I,
your place. Okay, if I were you, or if I were in your place, I would do that.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
yeah.
Mhm.
और हम उसको ये भी बोल सकते हैं if I were in your shoe. if I were in your shoe. Okay, मतलब आपकी परिस्थितियों में अगर मैं होती तो शू के लिए मतलब you are talking about the परिस्थितियां. Okay, the situation,
Yes, yes.
condition, say you are feeling. If I were in your
Mhm.
shoe, if I were in your place, then I would definitely visit a doctor as soon as possible.
Okay, 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 okay.
तो यू कैन यूज दिस फ्रेज. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अगर तुम बताओ अगर तुम जगह होते तो तुम क्या करते.
Mhm.
कैन से if I were
Yeah,
in your place, if I were you, I definitely visit a doctor.
I definitely use the doctor. Yes.
Yeah. We can also say I should. We say I should. ये एक I should model verb we use, right? You should visit
Mhm.
doctor. For giving
Yes.
we usually say should. And in the
Mhm.
we also say supposed to भी बोलते
Yes.
हैं.
Supposed to.
सपोज
Yeah.
टू और शुड में क्या डिफरेंस है. तो देखो शुड इज अ फ्रेंडली एडवाइस. ओके, ठीक है. अगर
Yeah. Yeah.
कुछ चीज चल रही होती है, इफ वी आर
Mhm.
जनरली फीलिंग कोल्ड एंड फ्लू एंड फीवर, देन वी डू नॉट यूजुअली गेट टेंस, राइट. तब इतना कुछ प्रॉब्लम की बात
Mhm.
नहीं होती है. ठीक है, हम एक दो दिन सोचते हैं चलो पैरासिटामोल ले लेंगे, ये कर लेंगे. ओके, वी कैन टेक द मेडिसिन एंड वी कैन गेट वेल 2 days. Pandemic time where situation is so critical, we can't take the chance of sitting at home, right.
At home.
At home
Yeah.
we can't take the chance. So because this is a kind of responsibility, we can be a carrier also. It will affect
Yes.
our entire family. So we,
Definitely. Yes.
या वी आर नॉट सपोज टू बी अ कैरियर दैट टाइम. जो आपकी ड्यूटीज होती है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती हैं, जब आप उस पर फोकस
Yeah.
करते हो, फॉर दैट वी यूज सपोज टू. सो यू कैन से यू आर सपोज टू गो टू डॉक्टर. Okay, this is you are telling because this is a kind of responsibility she have.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. So you can also say you're supposed to visit a doctor as soon as possible, as you are having, for example, as you are having a kid. So 2-year kid, he can affect.
So he can affect also. Yeah.
So that's why,
Okay.
yeah. What else you can say? I would recommend. You can say I would recommend you.
Mhm. Yeah.
I would recommend. We can say I would suggest.
I will suggest. Yeah.
We can also say
Okay.
why don't you go to doctor? Why don't you? We can also use this phrase. Why don't you go to doctor?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So these are the multiple collection of structure sentences which we can use while
Yeah.
wise. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank
Yes.
you so much, Rashmi, for helping me. Thank you so much, Rashmi, for joining this video. This meeting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Bye.
Yeah. All right. Bye bye.
So here are two speaking activities for you. So I would like to give you these activities for your practice. And now, kindly write down in the comment section your advice so that I shall correct you if there is any mistake. And till then, keep learning and keep smiling. And yeah, don't forget to use those phrases and structure.